Alright guys, I'm here with my special friend, the guy who plays 12, and what are the materials?
Alright, so what we're gonna need is we're gonna need some grapes.
Yep.
We're gonna need a knife, and we're gonna be needing a microwave, which is back there.
Yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, first thing you gotta do is just get your grape, get your knife, just cut the end part of it. Ah, there you go. Then, all you gotta do is just kind of slice it in half. There you go. Something like this. Like that. Stick it in the microwave for like 20 seconds and you guys will see the magic. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, as you guys can see, do not microwave grapes. This is exactly what happens. It's very dangerous. And I want to give a shout out to my friend, the guy who plays 12. And what do you do?
What?
What do you do?
Right? I do vlogs. I do gaming also, and I also do challenges. But I also have been uploading vlogs, so.
Alright, if you guys like those kind of stuff, make sure to subscribe. Link will be down in the description. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah, stay juicy, baby!